Want to start investing in crypto but don't know where to begin? Crypto can be overwhelming, but today I'll break it down step by step, from understanding blockchain basics to making your first investment and managing risk. Let's dive in. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money that operates on blockchain technology, a decentralized system that makes transactions secure and transparent. Types of cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, BTC. The first and most well-known, Ethereum, ETH, powers smart contracts and decentralized apps. Altcoins and stablecoins, each has different use cases. How to buy crypto safely? Choose a reliable exchange. Look for security, low fees, and reputation. Verify your account. Most exchanges require ID verification for security. Fund your account. Use a bank transfer, card, or crypto deposit to start investing. Popular exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and more. How to buy and sell crypto? Trading pairs and orders. Buy crypto using market, limit, or stop-loss orders. Market research. Understand price trends and project fundamentals before investing. Secure your crypto. Use a hardware or software wallet to keep your assets safe. Crypto is volatile. Manage your risk. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one crypto. Set investment goals. Short-term trading versus long-term holding. Understand market cycles. Crypto prices fluctuate. Stay patient. Stay up to date and learn from experts. Follow trusted news sources: CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Crypto Twitter. Join communities: Telegram, Discord, and Reddit. Learn from experts. Follow YouTube tutorials and online courses. Ready to start your crypto journey? Subscribe to Airdrop Insider for more crypto tips and updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or message me on Telegram. Start investing wisely and stay informed.